Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Today's video is a bit unique to what I normally put out, but I think it's going to be very beneficial to many of us players. What I want to do is I want to break down a great pool stroke in detail with slow motion footage to show you some of the things that I have been talking about on my channel as of late. So we're going to look at a young gentleman by the name of Tanner Pruce. He's a 700 plus Fargo player out of Rapid City, South Dakota. Got a fantastic pool stroke. So without further ado, let's let Tanner introduce himself.
My name's Tanner Pruce from Rapid City, South Dakota. I'm a top-level amateur player and pool instructor. I'm a 5-time South Dakota state champion, as well as a 2-time VNEA Vegas world champion in the open and the intermediate divisions for singles. I give custom online lessons to both juniors and adult players looking to improve their confidence and their consistency in their pool game. Currently, I'm working on courses for those looking to improve their jumping ability and also to strengthen their mental game. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Let's see what Ron's been up to.
Thank you, Tanner. I've been on a quest to break down the pool stroke, and I saw yours and I wanted to share it with my viewers. Everyone take a look here. We're going to show you some slow motion of Tanner, and what I really like are a few very good things that I'm going to point out. So this is just a beginning opening shot, and notice his elbow stays nice and still as he pulls back and goes through. That's something that a lot of us may struggle with. We might drop our elbow, and there's nothing really wrong with that as long as you can handle it. In fact, Jasmine Ocean, she really drops her elbow, but she does real well, obviously. So here we've got another view, and I want you here to take a look at not only the elbow positioning, but also watch Tanner's hand and look at how loose he's holding the grip. And you're going to see this in a different angle, and you're going to see even more of how loose his grip hand is. A little bit close up here now, and I want to apologize a little bit for the graininess of this shot. Notice there that the cue actually slipped forward. See if you can see this again. It's a little bit dark, but I think you can. There's actually a slip stroke going on there, and I actually do that now that I've been loosening my grip, so you may want to feel that sensation. It's going to help you. So here's another angle. You can really see the loose grip here. Notice how Tanner stays still at the cue ball prior to making his stroke, and also notice his wrist action, how it kind of flips or snaps. That's very critical when you're drawing the cue ball. Once again, here's another view of that snap of the wrist. Pay real close attention right there at his wrist action. Very good stuff. Now let's take a look at a side view of Tanner. I really like his positioning. He stays very low on the cue. Notice how level he is. His arms are all in line with the shot line. Upper forearm, extended grip arm, everything is in line. Very, very professional. Now the thing is here, you're going to want to keep your head real still. Notice his head doesn't move at all, goes through the shot and holds the follow through. Doesn't rise up, perfect position. Now let's finish off by looking at Tanner's pool stroke here in real time. Great pool stroke. I really like it. If you guys have any questions or comments about his stroke, go ahead and leave them in the comments section below. I'll answer every one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.